How much will 10,000 Kaspa be worth in 2025? In this video I share my Kaspa price prediction for 2025 with long and short-term analysis, and we'll have potential price targets and potential buy zones for Kaspa to make maximum profits in 2025. So let's go straight into the content. Kaspa is on place 32 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $3.2 billion. The coin is existent since 2022 and we saw the all-time high in 2023. Kaspa was one of the best performing altcoins in 2023. From the down to the top we saw a move about 3,500%. And after we saw this explosive move and this all-time high, we then saw this bearish retracement. Then we saw this longer consolidation right here. And in the last days we saw this extreme bullish push to the upside. And we nearly broke the last all-time highs of Kaspa. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside and break this last all-time high, then the chance is extremely high that we can see even higher prices. But what could be a potential price target for 2025 at the bull run? So as I said, Kaspa has right now a market cap of $3.2 billion. So there's a lot of potential to the upside, especially if the bull run really peaks. And if we are comparing the market cap of Kaspa right now to the market cap of the all-time high of Polkadot, we then would have a potential of $2.50. So from the prices right now, we would have a potential of 18x. And I think the comparison makes sense because Kaspa was one of the best performing altcoins in 2023 and Polkadot was one of the best performing altcoins back in 2021. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum of the total crypto market cap, then the chance is high that we could reach the last all-time high. And if enough money comes from retailers and big institutions into the crypto market, the chance that we also explode over the last all-time high is there. Especially with the now approved Bitcoin spot ETF, the chance that much money flows into the crypto market is very high. And I think Kaspa is a great project with very high potential. And I think prices around $3 or higher are very realistic for the next bull run. And from the prices right now to this kind of price target, we would have a potential of over 20x. Of course guys, this is just the orientation from the prices right now. But as I said, I think Kaspa has a great potential to the upside. And if the bull run is really peaking and much money flows into the crypto market, then the chance that we could reach this kind of price targets is very high. And to answer the question from the beginning, how much will 10,000 Kaspa be worth in 2025? If we would reach this kind of price targets, 10,000 Kaspa would be worth around $30,000. And I think this would be an amazing deal for Kaspa. So we look for potential price targets and now we are looking for potential buy areas for Kaspa. And if we now can continue this bullish momentum to the upside and break this last highs, then I think the chance is extremely high that we could see even higher prices. So I think this kind of prices are already a great chance to buy some coins for Kaspa for the long term. But if we're seeing lower prices again, then I would definitely have a look at this demand zone right here. Because after this retracement right here, we saw this demand zone consolidation. And after this consolidation, we saw this bullish move to the upside. So the chance if we come back into this zone that we then can continue the bullish trend is very high. So if we come back into this demand zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, then I think this is definitely a great area to buy some Kaspa for the long term. And if you want to get daily updates on the crypto market or altcoins like Kaspa, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find a link in the description. So all in all guys, I think Kaspa is a great project with very high potential. I think price targets of around $3 or higher are very realistic for the next bull run. And if we now can continue this bullish trend to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we can see another explosion for Kaspa. So guys, this was my price prediction for 2025 at Kaspa. Thank you very much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.